Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Boy FX, and I'm very happy to have you guys on my channel again. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the video. Sorry to my channel. Like the video, share it to your friends. Also hit the bell button so that when I drop a video, you get every analysis that we do. Okay, so it's always an interesting video. Yeah, crash and boom. Everyone loves crash and boom. But what happens if I give you a strategy or I teach you a strategy that you can use to catch your crash and boom, to trade your crash and boom very well, and also to trade other stocks as well, like pairs or assets. So let's get on into the video. So if you haven't watched my previous any of my videos, I'm not talking about indicators videos, like let's say teaching videos that I teach. I show you, analyze market with you. Just stay calm. I'm going to show you what we do. So today has been a good day in the market. In fact, for the past 1 week, it's been a good day in the market. I can't lie to you guys. So this is the signal of today by the C1000, and bro, the spike hasn't come in a very long time. Let me show you this. This is a chart, and this is 1 minute time frame. But let's go to the 15 minutes so that we can grab this well. So if you can dig our entry is somewhere around, okay, it's not very obvious, that's why we have to go to the 1 minute, or let's try the 5. Our entry was around this region, okay, not even around. After the spike, this is where our entry was, and the spike never came. Excuse me, the spike never came for a very long time. So this is not because I use indicator. Now let me show you. We are talking about analyzing the market. Now what do you observe here? At this level, we are having let's just imagine we are having an interactive class. What do you notice at that level? You notice that there has been a support there, market retracing whenever it gets to this level. This is the 4 hours, so you have to use a higher time frame. I love 4 hours so much. It makes the market so clear. But also, you know that if you go now on the 1 hour, you're going to see this as well. But there are still some noises in the market. It's also clear as well, but there are some noises in the market. But it's on the 4 hours that this our horizontal line is obvious. The horizontal line I just drew. So you've seen that we have seen this happening. That is a support, a very strong support. What makes it a strong support is because it's the 4 hour time frame. I don't joke with the 4 hour time frame. It gives you major entries into the market. Like, okay, this is at this point, you have to be ready to either buy or sell. Like at this point, we're ready to buy. So immediately it got to that level. You see that on the 4 hours now, we can't see a retracement, like a candlestick that is retracing. I'm going to show you that now that there was a retracement here, and that's why you have to also consider always using the lower time frame to look out for entries. So I'm going to show you that on this candlestick, there has been a retracement at this point to give us an entry into the market. Now let's go. We check on the 1 hour. Market got here, but that retracement we can't see is not very obvious. We go to 30 minutes. Now you see that this first candlestick, now it has separated the candlesticks into 1, 2, 3. This is crash and boom. So you have to, in fact, not just crash and boom, but especially crash and boom, you have to deal with all time frames because there is what you are looking out for. Now you've seen that on the 4 hours, this place has now gotten to this level and it has touched. You've seen that there was a touch here, but here it looks like it hasn't even gotten there really. It looks like it hasn't really gotten there really. But now on the 15 minutes, you see that it has gotten there, and now market has started going back up. So this is the first strong candlestick, the second strong candlestick. Now you'll be asking, how do you get your SL? Let's go to the 5 minutes. Now look at this. This is the 5 minutes. Now it's on the 5 minutes. Now we've seen that market got here and there was a tick here, another spike before that started going up. Yeah, now how did I get my SL? It was from this spike, this little spike here. I decided to place my SL here before we now got in, and we haven't gone on a drawdown since we got into this market. Okay, so now you see we have passed the first higher high. This was where the first spike came from before it started building up again, and now a little spike has come up and we must crash this TP1, because this was my first area of rejection, which I found on the 15, I think it was on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, TP1, yes, it was at this level, because there is a resistance here on the 15 minutes, but if you go on the 5 minutes, you see that there is a support also around that region. So I had to keep my TP there. So now you go back to the 1 minute and you've seen that at this point it was like we had a double top, because this one spiked, came down, spiked again, and I knew that this was going to be another long buy. So there has been a retest at a zone there. Let's see, I have not even noticed that, but let's just look at if there is a zone there. And as I said earlier, this place, which is our TP, I think it was retesting this region. Let's see if that's right. We're analyzing the market together, so let's put this here and let's search on the 5 minutes. Fine. Now what do you see on the 5 minutes? Two touches, spike, touched, reject, breaks. Now comes retest that region, breaks, and it has broken it, and it might actually just spike a little, or it might never spike again, just to retest this region, but we are sure for a buy. So you see, it's like magic. It's something that you have to take time to look at. Maybe you might be, if you've watched it to this particular level, now you have an understanding of what I'm trying to say, because it would have sounded like, what is this guy even saying? But now you've seen that price action, you compare what has been happening. This is what has been happening in the market. You observe, came, retest, and it happened again. So once it happens again, there's a huge probability of it happening. Like, you have to be ready for this thing. That's why if you are patient enough, at least out of 10 trades, you'll be able to win 70%. Even 60% is good, because it's just 40% loss. But 70%, 30% loss, you're still profitable. But being profitable is the main goal of how to make it in the market. Just stay profitable. So it gives you more insight into the market. And now my VIPs, they are milking the market. We are making so much money. And this is how we've been doing it. This was the C300 Happy VIP. And now let me just show you this. I think I had a screenshot of that, but okay, it's actually like a testimony someone made. So you've seen this, that we are making money in the VIP, giving signals, crash, VIX 75, step index, all of that. We are making it huge in the market. So everything that we do is for the good of the community. So just keep liking the channel, watch our videos, and you're gonna love every bit of it. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys on the next video.